Amount lost in the attack, which was the achievement of hackers located abroad, is small rupees 2.6 million according to the bank itself, but the figure could have been much larger, full stop. More importantly, the attack exposed the vulnerability of Pakistan's financial system to cyber attacks at a time when another similar technology related breach was reported in the database of the Central Directorate of National Savings that holds up to rupees 3.65 trillion in deposits from individual and institutional investors, full stop. The nature of the breach in the two cases is very different, but both have served to highlight the fact that the country's financial system has powerful vulnerabilities that could lead to large scale damage if not purged properly, full stop. In the wake of the hacking attack on the bank, it was discovered that the entire security architecture of the financial system is flawed, full stop. For example, one would expect that an attack on one institution would trigger an alert for all other institutions so that they can take preventive steps, full stop. One would also expect that the alert would be shared with the state bank and the payment operator in a timely manner so that they can put in place the measures necessary to plug the breach, as well as protect customers, full stop. But no such system for generating alerts exists, and individual financial institutions would prefer to bury the news of an attack and cover up its impact in the hope that nobody, save for a few customers who have been affected, full stop, will find out, so that they can return to business as usual, full stop. Given the emergence of mobile banking and the fast growth of internet banking, it is all the more important for banks and other financial institutions to focus on cyber security and have industry wide protocols on how to react when a breach is known to occur, full stop. Biometric verification can play a role in this, as it does in mobile banking, as well as real time monitoring of the IT systems of all financial institutions, full stop. The state bank is leading an effort in this direction, and deserves all the cooperation from the bank.